The A&A Dwight N. Manley Library contains many references about numismatic objects and their history. These materials primarily include books, auction catalogs, and periodicals, but the A&A Library also holds many unique research materials in our archives. Archives are collections of documents and objects that are valuable for researchers in that they provide first-hand accounts of historical events and the people involved. The A&A Library's archives includes many collections that are connected to the history of money and the people and organizations involved in the production and study. These objects include artwork, personal and organizational reports, correspondence, and ephemera related to numismatic events like past A&A conventions. The library staff is in the process of recognizing and describing these objects in the online A&A library catalog. As item entries are added, you will be able to browse and search them along with the books in the library's holdings. To do this, first go to the A&A Library Catalog page. Then select Advanced Search from the Search drop-down menu. To browse an archive, select the archive label from the Select Category menu. The labels will show the name of the archive. For this video, we will browse the Gasparro Papers archives. Type in the generic star symbol or Shift-8 into one of the search bars under the title Advanced Search, and click on the Search button. The star symbol is added to the end of all titles in our catalog and allows one to see all items in a particular category. We now see that there are 78 items in the Gasparro Papers archives, and we can browse the individual items. Returning to the Advanced Search page, I would like to note a feature of the Category Search option. Each archive is divided into portions, such as box, to help the A&A Library staff locate the archive item, or by year of the date of the archive item. In the case of the A&A archives, we find that there are multiple subjects within this collection, and that the collection is divided by year. We will now look at a special feature of many A&A archive listings. Browsing the Gasparro Papers listings, we see a listing marked Coins. When I scroll to the bottom of the detailed listing, I see this icon. This icon shows that images from this archive are available online through Internet Archive or archive.org. Clicking on this icon will take you to this website and the object listing there. You can view the item and even download the document containing these images. If you have any questions about the A&A archives or how to search or view them online, please contact the A&A's Dwight N. Manley Library staff at library@money.org or give us a call at 719-482-9859. The A&A Library staff will continue to add archive items to our online catalog. If you have questions about items in our holdings that are not yet in the catalog, please contact us and we will help to provide the requested information. The American Numismatic Association's Dwight N. Manley Library staff looks forward to assisting with your research and reading needs.